Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to send money from Canada to Portugal. Sending money internationally can seem complicated, but with the right information it can be a straightforward process. First, you need to determine the purpose of your transfer and the amount you want to send. This will help you choose the best method for your needs. You have several options including banks, money transfer services and online platforms. Next, you will need to gather the necessary information from the recipient in Portugal. This includes their name and address, as well as their bank account details such as the account number and the bank's SWIFT code. Once you have all the necessary information, you can begin the transfer process. If you are using a bank, you will need to visit a branch in person or log in to your online banking. If you are using a money transfer service or online platform, you can usually do this online or through a mobile app. You will be asked to provide the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. You will also need to pay for the transfer, which can be done by bank transfer, credit card or debit card. The transfer time can vary depending on the method you choose. Bank transfers can take several days, while money transfer services and online platforms can be much faster, often taking only a few hours. It is also important to consider the fees and exchange rates when sending money internationally. Different providers will offer different rates and fees, so it is worth comparing these before making a transfer. Some popular options for sending money from Canada to Portugal include TransferWise, PayPal and Z Money Transfer. These services often offer competitive exchange rates and low fees. Finally, it is always a good idea to track your transfer and keep the recipient informed of the progress. This will help ensure that the money is received safely and efficiently. By following these steps, you can send money from Canada to Portugal quickly and easily. Remember to compare different providers and consider the fees and exchange rates before making a transfer.